Right now, top creators are using AI tools to brainstorm viral ideas, write high-converting scripts, edit videos in seconds, and design scroll-stopping thumbnails. And if you're not using these tools, you're already a step behind. 5 AI tools every YouTube creator needs, coming soon. This isn't just content creation, this is content domination. What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, thousands of creators are using AI tools to explode their YouTube growth, creating viral content faster than ever. And if you're not using them, you're already falling behind. Sounds scary? Good. Because today I'm about to hand you the exact AI tools top creators are using. Tools so powerful they feel almost unfair. Stick around, because the last one, it's a hidden gem no one's talking about. Let's start with the foundation, coming up with viral video ideas. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's your personal brainstorming partner. Simply ask, what are trending YouTube video ideas for my niche? And watch it generate 10, 20, even 50 fresh concepts in seconds. But here's the twist. Combine ChatGPT with Opus Clip. This AI analyzes your past content, picks the most engaging moments, and suggests spin-off video ideas tailored to your audience. Imagine this. You made a video on how to grow on YouTube. Opus Clip scans the comments, identifies what resonated the most, and boom. It suggests follow-up videos like 5 AI tools to edit YouTube Shorts. See what we did there? AI isn't guessing. It's learning from your data. Okay, you've got the idea. But what about the script? Here's the AI secret weapon, CodeSphere AI. This tool takes your rough concept and crafts a full-blown script, perfectly tailored to your tone, whether it's inspirational, authoritative, or even humorous. What makes CodeSphere insane? It doesn't just write. It studies viral YouTube scripts, identifies what hooks viewers, and replicates that pattern. Think about it. You're not writing from scratch anymore. CodeSphere AI is like having a ghostwriter. Who knows the YouTube algorithm better than most creators? Quick question. Ever wonder why some videos feel addictive and others fall flat? Spoiler alert. AI is often the difference. Now, let's shift gears, because scripting is only half the battle. Editing, that's where the magic happens. Runway. AI is revolutionizing video editing. Imagine this. You type remove background. Done. Add cinematic zoom. Done. No clunky software. No complicated timelines. With Runway AI, you edit with words, not clicks. And here's the kicker. It can even generate AI visuals. Want a futuristic background for your tech video? Type it in, and Runway creates it instantly. Let that sink in. AI doesn't just edit your videos. It creates visuals out of thin air. You have the script, the edits. But what about thumbnails? The silent deal breakers. Canva Magic Studio is more than design. It's AI-powered creativity. With just one click, it suggests multiple thumbnail designs, color schemes, and fonts based on what's currently trending on YouTube. Feeling bold? Use the AI text-to-image feature. Simply type, "a futuristic YouTube thumbnail for a tech video," and Magic Studio designs it in seconds. Here's a wild thought. Your next viral thumbnail could be AI-generated. Finally, the silent growth engine. TubeBuddy AI. Forget guessing keywords. TubeBuddy AI analyzes top-ranking videos in your niche and auto-suggests the best titles, tags, and descriptions, all tailored to your audience. And the best part? It tracks real-time trends. Imagine launching a video with SEO precision, knowing the algorithm is already in your favor. Now ask yourself, would you rather create content blindly or with AI as your secret weapon? So, we've just explored 5 AI tools that can revolutionize your YouTube journey. But here's the thing. AI doesn't stop at content creation. It's changing the entire landscape of creativity. And if you want to unlock the next level of AI tools, ones that go beyond YouTube and can skyrocket your Instagram, TikTok, and even podcast growth. I've curated an exclusive playlist on artificial intelligence. Click here on the end screen, and let's step into the future of content creation. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.